Hi. Hi. Oh. I don't know, it's not the best day to wake up because I have a very itchy throat. But this won't stop me from taking a video. So let's get ready with me to go to my internship or placement. They call it placement in Australia because it's like a place where you practice your skills. So yeah, get ready with me. Actually, I've been planning about this, but I didn't get a chance to do it. And yeah, this is the day. So basically, what I do is I just woke up, of course, and it's very ano ba? Hirap ang English. Sobrang routine siya na hindi pong paulit-ulit lang ginagawa ko. So, una, ayusin ko yung aking bed. Then, mag-aayos ako dyan kasi typically sobrang gulo talaga. But, yeah. Tapos, I just want to make sure that all my stuff is in my bag. Before, napaka-arte sa bed. Simula na natuto ko ng bed making sa nursing. But right now, since I have a very small space, parang bahala na, ganun. So I have a lot of furniture here, and it cannot fit, well, I mean, it's possible to get fit in this small space, but yeah, hindi ko siyang magawang organize, and at some point, I don't feel very satisfied. Kasi nga, gusto ko siya parang malinis, maayos, but yeah, I have to just optimize the space. That's all. Guys, ito lang meron ako. Na-survive ko ang winter for how many years? Blanket. So, ayan. Ito lang kadamay ko. I don't know how do I survive the winter this year. I feel like tinatawag nilang climatized. Medyo sumapi na siya sa akin after 3 years. So, ayun. Medyo na-climatized na tayo kasi ewan ko, hindi ko nilalamig kayo na super duper lamig. Not unless sa gabi. But, yeah, as far as I remember, ng mga first and second year ko dito, sobrang nginig ko after lalo maligo. Parang, ewan ko, baka wala pa kami sa peak ng winter, but itong winter na to, I think I can tolerate it. So basically, yun lang yung aking araw. Mag-aayos ako ng bedroom. Tapos, maga talaga ako gumigising as in 4 or 5 o'clock. Hindi ko na mabago yun sa akin. So after neto, maliligo ako kasi gusto kong itirintas yung buhok ko. And mag-ready ng baon. Tapos kakain ng breakfast and mag-makeup. Yun lang. Samahan niyo ako. Pero ito yung day ko everyday. How will I prepare myself? And ano yung mga sinasakyan ko. And to tell you the truth, ito yung placement na tumaba ako talaga ng gusto kasi sobrang chill ng work, tapos lagi pa kami nag-drive. Nasa lang siya. Tsaka hindi siya malayo, wala masyadong biyahe. So yun lang, hintay tayo ng bus. Ang ganda talaga ng phone pang vlog. Kasi parang easy niya, tapos hindi mo kailangan buksan yung camera mo or hindi mo kailangan i-set up. Nandun na siya, yan na siya. Saka siguro yung iPhone features din ngayon is dahil ang dami ang gusto mag-vlogging, ginawa na rin nilang medyo clear and lalo yung boses ko. Kahit pabulong ako, sa camera hindi naman masyado naririnig. That's why we have to buy pa mic for that. Pero ito, linaw. Fairness. Sana hindi lang pagbago please. Na-distract na ako kakanood ng mga videos bus di na ako nakapag-vlog. Pero yan yung bus na sinakyan ko kanina. Yung Brussels 515. Napaka-easy din dito kasi yung mga bus nila may numbers, tapos kung saan yung stop. So, very easy to follow. And meron din silang nakita niyo yan, meron din silang mga time. So, kahit off yung phone ko, alam mo kailan dadating yung bus. But the thing is, every 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Palakad na ako sa placement ko and kahit gusto ko man kayo isama, hindi pwede kasi dun sa handbook namin sabi hindi kami pwede mag-video or for privacy din. Pero ang saya sana sa placement ko kasi lahat driving, going to client's house, doing wound care, basta ang dami, sobrang saya. Pero yeah, this is my life here in Australia. Basically parang routine lang siya. So, imagine nyo na lang every Monday and Friday. Ganun lang ginagawa ko palagi. Ulit-ulit. And kanina nga sa bus, sabi nung isang pasahero, alis ko na naman yung stop mo. Kasi nga, lagi kami magkakasabay. So, kahit pa ulit-ulit na same driver din, namimiss lagi yung stop ko. Tawid na tayo. Ba't ang tangkad ko dito? Tangkad na anin, tagal naman. So yun nga. Thank you so much for watching. See you again. Bye.